I'm still working on the Philips reel-to-reel tape recorder, but this thing showed up today, and I thought I had to make a quick video about it. This is a realistic type TR-169 8-track player, stereo 8 player, it says here. And I bought this for, I think, around €20. It's in fairly nice condition. It came all in the original packaging, which is styrofoam, and the owner's manual, which even better includes the schematic. It is a 120 volt model, though. But I looked at the schematic. It looks like everything is fed from DC, even the motor, so it shouldn't really be an issue. I can just either replace the transformer or just hook it up to a step-down converter. So what you're probably here for is, this is the walnut style case. So what you're here for is opening this up, isn't it? To open this up, you just take out the screws that hold on the feet. I had this open before. So I'll just slide this out. It comes apart without any issues. Case is really, I like this style of case. It's veneer, but it's very nicely made. I think this is from Radio Shack Tandy. I think Realistic was their brand. Let me just get the power cord out. There it goes. So it's a fairly simple machine. It's got the transformer here, rectifier board down here. Probably have to replace the capacitor. Motor is here. Here's the tape pad. Tape pad I already looked at, looks very good condition. And all the amplifier electronics is here. It's just I think it's 6 transistors and a couple of cabs. I'll probably have to do a recap on this. I'm not sure yet. I'll try it out. And now for the drive belt. The drive belt is, well, it's okay. It's not great, but it could work. We'll see. So what I did not do yet is turn it on. So we'll do that now. Comes with a standard US style plug. And I'll just stick it in my, I have a 230 to 110 step down converter. It's basically a big auto transformer. But it comes with a US socket. I'll just turn this on. And as it's customary for an 8-track player, this shouldn't turn on just yet because there's no cartridge inserted. So we actually have to go down here where there's a little switch that detects if there's a cartridge present. I'll just use this ballpoint pen to, and this would drive the tape, and that's alright. This shouldn't cause any problems. The way 8-track works is that it basically skips down 4 stereo tracks, and it does that by detecting a little metal clip on the endless tape that goes past here, and we'll just simulate that. Oh yeah. There we go, it shifts the head around. Oops. We can also do that by pushing the program button on the front. I'd probably have to align the head after I got hands on a couple 8-track cartridges, because I don't own any. That's why I'm not testing this with a cartridge in. But yeah, so far so good. We'll see if this thing needs a full recap. Otherwise, it's in great condition, and you'll hear from me shortly.